In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down menu arrows in Squarespace. If you want your site navigation to look clearer and more polished, adding arrows to drop-down menus is a simple improvement that can make a big difference. These small icons help visitors instantly recognize which menu items open submenus, so your navigation feels more intuitive and easier to use. To get started, open your Squarespace site and go to the page where you want to update the header navigation. Once you're there, click Edit Header. This will open the header editing area where you can customize the appearance and structure of your site's top navigation. After that, click Navigation. This takes you into the section where your menu settings are managed. If your site includes drop-down folders or nested navigation items, this is where you'll be able to adjust how those items appear visually. Next, look for the pencil icon and click it to edit. The pencil icon usually opens the detailed settings for that specific navigation element. This is where Squarespace lets you fine-tune the styling and display options for your menu, including how drop-down indicators are shown. Once the Edit panel opens, click Design. The Design section controls the visual styling of the navigation, so this is the area you'll use to change icon-related settings. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just take a moment to scan the panel carefully, since Squarespace layouts can vary slightly depending on your template version. From there, click Icon. This is the setting that lets you choose the symbol used for drop-down behavior. Icons are helpful because they provide a visual cue without taking up much space, and they make your navigation easier to understand at a glance. Finally, select the arrow icon. Once you choose it, your drop-down menu items will display with arrows, making it clear to visitors that those items expand to reveal more links. This gives your header a more professional and user-friendly look. After making the change, it's a good idea to preview your navigation and make sure the arrows match the overall style of your site. Check both desktop and mobile views if available, so you can confirm everything looks clean and functions the way you expect. And that's all it takes to add drop-down menu arrows in Squarespace. It's a quick visual upgrade, but it can really improve how visitors interact with your menu and understand your site structure.